was regarding SBI Cards.
Okay.
So this is a stock that I have been holding for the last 3 years, and I've been averaging it every now and then. So as you see, I have about 80 shares right now at a price of around 829.
Got it.
So my question is, to be honest, I've been running out of patience now because for the last years, all I've been doing in this stock was downward averaging.
Yeah.
So is there any other sector or any other, that I can rotate into, maybe to look at better profits? Because, in the last 3 years, my returns aren't really that much.
Yeah, and you can't say that you haven't had enough patience with the stock if you've spent 3 years waiting for it to do well. I get the angst and I get the irritation, Sanjeevi. So let me ask this question to Nirav. Nirav, this shouldn't be a scenario where you waited for 3 years for the stock to go up and just as you've decided to sell it, it goes up. So should he hold on? Is that the view? Or should he switch to something? Where are the better prospects? Perhaps, Sanjeev, I just want to confirm, do you want to stay in the financial space?
I would prefer to be in the financial space because, again, there's been a lot of these rate cuts and all that happening. Yes. So if there's any other financial stock that I would, rather rotate into, that would be great.
Got it. Nirav, so that's the brief. He's looking to stay in the financial space, but move out of SBI Cards, which he's lost patience with.
Well, he can shift to some other names, some other quality names like L&T Finance Holdings, because L&T Finance Holdings has got exposure to the rural economy. They are one of the biggest financiers of two-wheelers. They have one of the biggest financiers of tractors in the country. So that will give a good rural exposure and the benefit of the gains which accrue from the booming rural economy. At the same time, he can also have a look at Bajaj Housing Finance, where, of course, the housing finance prospects are looking quite good. And there's strong parentage also. So I think he could make some equal allocation between both these companies for his investments.
If I remember correctly, yesterday you had a note that was sent out by Goldman Sachs on SBI Cards. They downgraded the stock to neutral. What is the target price change that they had?
1006 is what they've given as target price.
From?
I'll have to pull that up.
So I think they've cut it quite dramatically.
Yeah, what they're saying is that balanced risk reward post sharp valuation re-rating is something is what helping the case, and that's why they've downgraded to neutral. And credit cost and growth will be the focus, but near-term EPS growth will be impacted, and they've cut EPS estimates by almost 9.5% for FY26 and 7.5% for FY27. So that's dramatic. Big. So that's dramatic. And they're also seeing delayed conversion of spends to interest-bearing loans as well. And these are the reasons as to why they have downgraded the counter.
Okay.